Good day, sir. My name is Francis Arjay Nang, 19 years old from Kabungaan, Villaba, Leyte, Section Delta. Now, today I will explain the concept of irreducible complexity using a simple physical object. I have here a digital clock with a battery to help demonstrate the existence of God in relation to modern scientific discoveries. Irreducible complexity means that a system is made up of different parts that all depend on each other in order to function properly. If even one important part is removed, the whole system stops working. This concept suggests that some things are too organized and too complete to have developed by accident and instead point to the work of an intelligent creator. Now, for example, let us look at this digital clock. At first glance, it may just seem like a simple object, but inside it has many important parts working together just for it to function very well. Now, first we have the battery. These batteries that provide power. Now, the circuit inside of this clock that provides and controls the flow of electricity. The screen that displays the time. As you can see, there is the time here, and the buttons that allows us to adjust the settings. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 buttons for this clock to function very well, for me to adjust the settings, for me to adjust this time. Now, what if I remove just one part of this clock? Just like, for example, this battery. What if I remove this battery? What will happen? Let's try to remove the battery. I just removed the battery, but what do you think happened on the overall look or overall function of this digital clock? Look, if I press this button, it does not work anymore. Like, you cannot see the time, you cannot see the time, the date, the temperature inside of this digital clock, because I removed the battery of this clock. Because as you can see that all of these functions, all of these buttons are useless without this one certain object or one certain part of this clock, which is the battery. Now let's put this on again, the battery. Okay. Tada! So, the time is back because I put the batteries back. I can turn this on, I can lit it again because the batteries are here. I can switch the time. Wait, I can switch the time. How do I wait? As you can see, the buttons are functioning well. I just changed the numbers inside of it because the batteries are here. Now, this proves that every single part of this battery or of this object has a specific purpose, and without one of them, the clock becomes useless, as what I've demonstrated lately, that I removed the batteries. Now, this whole clock stops working. It would be hard to believe that this clock was created by accident without someone designing and assembling it. Now, in the same way, Living things in nature also show this kind of complexity, like the human eye. For example, that needs the lens, retina, the nerves, and of course the brain to work together so we can see. A single cell also contains many tiny parts that each perform necessary function for life. Just like this digital clock cannot exist and function without a designer. These complex biological systems suggest the presence of a creator. This supports the idea of irreducible complexity and strengthens the belief that life, nature, and the universe were designed by an intelligent and powerful God, rather than being formed by chance alone. Thank you.